it's Jordan from Inside the Creative Coaching Group, and in this video we're going to be making something I love to do, especially come like graduation time, Father's Day, Mother's Day. Just a really cute little gift, you guys. And a lot of this stuff can be found at the dollar store. It's usually about under $20, so it's really great option. Now I do know that it might ruffle some feathers because it's a lot of sugar, but you know what, that's okay. You can choose whatever you want to do with it. I'm just teaching you the techniques of what I like to do. I've made a lot of these over my over the past few years, and so I start off with 4 boxes of candy. Okay, I do like to start off with some of the same candies, making sure this. Okay. And what I do is I just run some hot glue on the sides. You guys, just run some hot glue right along the sides here. And I'm going to glue that together. I do like to use hot glue. You can use tape if you want to, but I've found that the glue actually works a little bit better. Okay, so just gluing the sides of it. And these are just those movie theater candy boxes. You can find a lot of this stuff at the dollar stores, you guys. If you're planning to make these to sell, definitely choose to buy the items in bulk. So next, what I'm going to do is I have myself, and I think this is perfect for Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthday, graduation, just something fun, cool, not your everyday typical gift. So what I do like to do now is I like to take my, and notice all of the things that say Mike and Ike are all facing the right direction. I will bring in some glue right here on the bottom, and I'm going to place that on a piece of leftover foam board. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in my X-Acto knife, and I'm just going to cut and trim that off. I do that just because I like to make sure that I have something that is going to be sturdy, because I do have to add foam to this on the inside. Okay, so now we've kind of created a cute little like vase for our candies. Now I do like to come in and add some foam, so we're going to put that in there, and let me just trim this one too. But I've made these for Valentine's Day and Mother's Day and Father's Day, just enough in there so my skewers can stick to that. Now the next thing is I do like to use a little bit of crinkle, okay, and I put a little bit right in there. Now I don't glue it down, I just set that right in there, because the next part is fairly easy. I do like to use skewers, like for shish kebabs, the wood ones. You guys, you can find them at the Dollar Tree, you can find them at the dollar store. I do love to use those. And so what I do next is, if you're doing these in bulk, you guys, do all of your boxes first. That way you have them ready to go, and you just have to, all you have to do is just assemble them. But if you're just doing a one-off, I think this is a really cute gift, you guys. A little cute little gift option. It's usually under $20. You can always go more. You can even add gift cards, like to their favorite restaurants or their favorite places to buy, like beauty supplies and things like that, or places that they love to go, you know. But what I like to do is I like to buy the bags that are usually about $1 to $1.50. They're the small ones, and I get my skewers. Okay, and what I do is I get some tape, and I do like the Gorilla brand tape. You guys, it's a little bit pricier, but you can also use regular packing tape. And all I do is I get my skewer, and I just tape that to the back of my bags. Okay, these are the These you can find usually in the candy aisle or even like at the registers. Majority of the time they have them at registers as well. These cute little grab bags. So choose their favorite treats, whatever they want. You know, I've even done like beverages, like the little mini cans and some of the little skinnier cans. You can do the same thing. You can put a skewer on them as well. You might need a little bit more tape and probably a little extra skewers, but I think it's a really great option to have as a little gift for them. I've taped up all of my little treats, and I just choose a bunch of different ones. You guys, I will tell you, I prefer using the name brand ones. I don't like using the off brand because sometimes if you're selling these, they'll be like, what are cosmic something? No, just use the M&Ms, you guys. It's gonna save you a lot of headache. Okay, so what I like to do is start trimming these, and I'm just gonna place these in here, you guys. That's how we place that foam in there. That is why we place that foam. And I like to fan them out a little bit. There we go. So we got that one. And then this one coming right back here. I think fanning them out is really, it kind of makes it appear larger than what it actually is, right? And then we're going to come on in, put that. This one as well. So just kind of coming in, filling that up, you guys. Really cute. So of course you can also do it both sides if you want to. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So if you set this like at the middle of a table for them for their birthday or present, you guys, I remember like when I graduated in 2008 from high school, my aunt and my uncle actually got me something like this, and I absolutely loved it. It had all my favorite candies in it. So putting that together. Okay. And every year I do a pop-up for Valentine's Day, you guys, and I make a lot of these. I make about 50 of these, and I sell them between $25 and $35. It depends on what I add to them and how much the candies are, but I mean, it's a nice, cute little gift for graduation or birthday, just about anything, really. I just love that little crinkle, y'all. It covers up what the foam that's in there. So it's double-sided. Love that. And then next, all I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to come in with some ribbon. That's all I'm going to do is come in with some ribbon. And we're going to make myself a cute little bow. Do it this way. So I'm going to tie this up first. Okay, so there we go. And then we're just going to make my cute little bow. Of course, you can use curling ribbon if you want to as well. But I just had this ribbon sitting here, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm using that. And then you can plop a little card in there. You can also wrap it in the cellophane. But there we go, you guys. A really cute little gift option for under $20. Cost me about $14 total. Yeah. Nope, I take that back. About $12. $12 total for that. And that includes the 4 boxes, all the candies, the 2 bags of chips. Okay, so y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Definitely hang out with us in Creative Coaching. We'd love to have you. Go to creativecoachjordan.com, where I've actually taught several different types of gift baskets in there as well. So this one's really cute, simple. If you want to, you can also cover the skewers, but you don't have to. But that is an option. So, but really cute, great gift option for about under $20. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.